Hey guys.
Hello everybody.
Okay, welcome to another episode of Journey with the Jacksons.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And yes, it's been a while since we've seen you guys and since you've seen us.
Yeah. And guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to our channel. You can check out some of our awesome videos.
Yeah. All right, but also we know the time that we're in right now, and I hope you're all keeping safe.
Yeah.
Taking your vitamins, exercising.
Social distancing.
Yes, social distancing.
And don't forget your mask.
Right. Don't forget your mask, right? All right, guys. So, it's been a while since we've been on here. We've missed you guys. We know you missed us too, right?
Yeah, we know.
And so today we decided that since we can't really travel, we are going to stay in our car. Yeah. And we are gonna do
a video.
Yeah.
Alright, so this video is about some slangs that Jamaicans used to use and we don't use them anymore. So yeah, so some slangs from back in the days.
But I wouldn't really say back in the days, But
or some persons who are familiar with these slangs, maybe some persons from who probably them who are in their 60s, 70s.
No, man.
50s.
We're
not that old?
No, not that old. Okay. You probably be like in your 30s or late 20s. Somewhere there, mid. Or, but guess what? You can just message us down below or drop a comment down below and tell us which ones you're familiar with or which ones you even still use, depending on where you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, you maybe still use some of them.
We're very versatile, so a lot of times Jamaicans, a slang lasts for a particular period, we come in with another one, we get tired of using that one, so we're like, no, let's get another slang. That one is worn out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so the first one is bashment.
Yeah, bashment. So, hey, you remember like party time are like, some persons used to dress? So for some persons, you have a bashment dressing. Bashment are go on like if there's a party being held somewhere and that party is well hyped up, then persons would say that's a bashment party. A bashment is used to depict like excitement.
Yes.
Like some serious excitement.
Yes. Especially if you're wearing something that maybe is in style.
Yeah. Bashment dressing.
Yeah, because it's like if you say you probably you go to your friend's house and you see them with something and say, why?
Yeah,
bashment!
Man, bashment in another place.
Right. Yeah. So what if people used to use bashment? Booyaka.
Booyaka. Alright, so like persons always use booyaka to depict like a gunshot. Like a gun or maybe a rifle would sound when it is fired. Booyaka.
Also, it's like you're giving a forward. Like nowadays, one of the popular slangs in Jamaica now is forward. Instead of saying the word come in or...
Yeah, because I think Shaba was one of the first persons who sang about booyaka. I said, ting-a-ling-a-ling, school bell ring, knife and fork, a fight for dumpling. Booyaka.
Yeah. That's really true.
Yeah, man, booyaka. Shaba ranking.
Yeah. But it's really used when you give it. So if you hear a tune and play and you really like it or you rate it and you want to give it a big up, you're like, booyaka. Something like that.
Alright, next one is
boops.
Boops to con a man out of money. Yeah, so some ladies like a man who they can get money from
sugar daddy business.
Yeah, to get monetary benefits. They use the term boops. So they say that man is a boops. Or the man they are boops. Yeah, because a female may be able to get money from that man easily.
So the man is a boops.
Yeah.
So who is the boopsy? The woman is the boopsy.
No, I'm not sure.
Yeah, based on what we have here, the woman is the boopsy.
Yeah, or some female would say, I go boops him out. I go can him out. So, yeah, like a canting.
Mama man. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, when somebody look at you and say you're a mama man, disrespect.
In a Jamaica.
Yeah, disrespect. A mama man thing that no disrespect.
Who is a mama man though?
It come from mama. So like maybe in America some person may say he's a mama's boy.
No, you really think from the perspective that, for me, I think the whole mama man phenomenon is like a man who is like kind of watchy, cussy, that kind of thing.
Mama man. I think from mama it come down, you know, babes. I think from mama that's how I am used to it. Mama man, mama's boy.
Baby, no. Mama's boy to me is different from mama man. You see a man out the road, a cuss a woman.
Yeah.
Alright. So a man is with a woman and the woman decides that she's gonna walk out. She no longer wants him. This is just an example. Let's use this. And he is cussing the woman. Oh, bring back my 10 grand I'm gear, bring back my clothes I'm gonna buy for you.
I say mama man that.
Yeah, you know, in Jamaica, I think people would actually classify that. Go away, your mama man. Right? And then we have Skuminar.
So somebody say, hey, you want to look at Skuminar, you know? That's another disrespect. Skuminar. That like somebody who leech on somebody. Like somebody who take set on somebody. I'm trying to find an English term for that one.
You're a parasite.
Yeah, you're a parasite.
Yeah.
Skuminar. Somebody say, oh, Skuminar, them every day them a call up my name and I live off and I live for my name.
Yeah, Skuminar. And then Boonoonoo. I love this one. Boonoonoo.
Yeah.
Like we'll use Boonoonoo to describe something big and
something exciting,
magnificent, you know.
Or somebody, if somebody is as strong favor for somebody, then they maybe say, "You're my Boonoonoo." Right. Or if a man love a girl, but him say, "She's my Boonoonoo." That's or if a lady maybe likes a little child, they say that's my little Boonoonoo. Yeah. But
I mean, I tell you, Jamaicans, we are so creative. It's not even funny. And a lot of these words are like from the whole patois area.
You know, it would be interesting to know the origins of some of these names. Well, some of them are straightforward, but like Boonoonoo, where does that even come from?
I think Miss Lou is one of them who actually really kind of
sell that term. Boonoonoo.
And then this next one, tuku. If them tell you say you're tuku.
Yeah, short and stocky.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you're short and probably fat. You're short and fat. It's a tuku.
Or people don't like to be called fat anymore, so they're what, fluffy or thick.
Plus size.
Or thick.
Plus size.
Yeah, it's plus size.
Yeah.
All right, or you're doing something, your friends set up a whole conversation and somebody else come in and just come in a conversation, you say your eggs up in.
Eggs up.
Eggs up, you know.
Eggs up, like oh does that even, how can you even use eggs up to say somebody is extra?
Enough. No, you're enough. When you're eggs up, you're enough.
Yeah, eggs up. But how them come by that? Because we know egg are something that we eat. Egg. Yeah, eggs up.
Your eggs up, you're enough.
You know, maybe we need like somebody from in that era to say, you know, how we came by the term eggs up. Yeah.
But eggs up funny though. People always use that. What next funny one you always hear country people use? Folly tea.
Folly tea. You say, hey, like you fret. Like let's just say two brothers, a brother and sister, and they're home. And one of them does something that maybe when the parent come home, the parent is going to be mad. So the one of them maybe say, hey, you fall tea when mommy come. You fall tea when mommy reach home. You fret, you'll be in trouble.
Or probably you take. It's just something that you do and the consequence, it's used when you do something and the consequence is going to be drastic. Yeah. And you say you're folly tea. Oh my gosh.
Like where did that term come from?
Oh, or also how Caribbean parents love give a proper whooping, and you give them trouble. If I lick you to the pitney, you're folly tea. Yeah. It's not a joke time that you just got easier.
Your bottom will get roast. Yeah, straight.
See, them about cuckoo.
Cuckoo, no man.
Cuckoo.
Yeah, cuckoo.
Yeah, cuckoo.
Yeah, like when a girl cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
No. Listen up, babes. Cuckoo.
Alright, cuckoo.
Yeah. When a girl is very slim Because you know, for some persons in Jamaica, if you are very slim, that is a crime.
Yeah.
It maybe mean that you are lacking some nutrients. I don't know.
When it's
where
not
some
really
person,
true.
right?
Yeah.
It's just the body size. It's just your body
Yeah.
mass or lack of mass.
Yeah, but you know what the thing is? I was just know when I had trouble pronouncing Cuckoo. It was a song. In my head. Yeah.
Well, if it's not a song in there, they should get it better. Cuckoo.
No, there's a song. I know for the song there.
Okay.
One song. Well, anyway, whatever, guys. When I remember, I'll tell you.
Yeah,
that.
very slim girl.
Yeah, you're Cuckoo.
Yeah.
Perky.
Pricky. Like somebody with a joker.
No.
A pricky.
No, pricky would have really like
What a pricky.
What a pricky,
But,
yeah.
but you can go two way, you know, because like some persons may use it to describe a person who them consider
a joker.
a joker, somebody who them say not have no sense.
Yeah.
Don't make she take you for no pricky. Don't allow her to take you for an idiot.
Or a fool, right?
Or a fool, yeah.
Or to play you.
Yeah, pricky. Or to use to describe a situation. So what a pricky.
Yeah, like some serious drama, you know. Like what a pricky.
What a pricky.
Yeah. What about Up to the Time? This was used in dancehall.
Yeah, Up to the Time. Yeah, like Elephant Man did a song that the intro was Up to the Time.
Yeah. You know it's and them gone. But it's not even only him. A lot of these, quite a few of these dancehall artists.
Yeah, Cartel too. Up to the Time.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What about DADA? I still think them use DADA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
DADA, a leading male figure. Yeah, DADA. Yeah, like somebody see you. It's a way of bigging up a person or to saying this person as ratings. Yeah, a way to give a man some ratings. Yeah. Hey, what go on DADA?
Yeah.
I think it's still used.
Yeah,
DADA. Yeah, real DADA,
yeah.
you know.
And I mean, if people are greeting each other like two male greeting each other, then probably would say something like DADA. What about arms? Oh my gosh, this one I don't think it's old, but it's still used.
That one is serious. Arms house. Yeah, if somebody looks at you and say your arms house, like disrespect. Like arms house. That used for like describe like a pit latrine.
No, like an arms house meaning a foolishness.
No man, I think the origins is like a jailhouse. Arms house.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yeah man, it have some origins like that.
But I know for sure that right,
so
like
the place smell like arms house. Yeah, it have some origins.
Maybe
like
prison.
Yeah, some prison setting.
But when you come on to this arms house now, they're referring to definitely you're being
foolishness,
stupid,
stupid, nasty.
Yeah, like if you come
arms house, like Jamaicans use it a lot to curse persons.
Yeah. You call somebody, you come like arms house, you know?
Old arms house.
Yeah, you come, yeah.
Not nice.
It's not nice, but yeah. But it can also be used like that, but it can also be used as, you know, if there's a situation or you find yourself in a confrontation with somebody, you can describe that whole confrontation as an arms house. You know, an arms house, that brother. Yeah, you could have just walk away or something. Yeah.
Blouse and skirt. So blouse and skirt.
What we use that instead of
like used to replace a curse word. Blouse and skirt, it is used a lot like an exclamation.
It is.
Blouse and skirt, like something that catch you off guard. You say instead of saying one of those words like.
Yeah, those curse words.
Yeah, those curse words you say blouse and skirt.
Right.
And some of us got into trouble for it because our parents, when we were younger, our parents knew that we were using it to replace a curse word. So it automatically kind of was a curse word. Or kind of is a curse word.
It's a decent curse word.
Yeah, a semi-decent curse word. Because some persons get a fine whooping for saying that.
Yeah.
Blouse and skirt.
Shag up.
Yeah. Shag up. Means you're messed up.
Yeah. A foolish is yeah though.
Yeah. Shagriz.
Shagriz.
Yeah, so we got creative. So shagriz was like an adjective to it. Yeah. So for some words we're so creative. We have the noun for it. We have the adverb for it. We have the adjective. We have the pronoun. My gosh.
Come on, scholar.
Yeah. Come on. We're that creative.
All right. And then we have like attaclaps.
What a attaclaps. What a judgment.
Yeah, serious things. This terrible. Oh my gosh.
Attaclaps like revelation.
Why you don't say revelation?
Yeah, because attaclaps sound like something serious, you know.
Judgment.
Yeah. But judgment, but you have to say judgment and then not mention revelation. you know, what a attaclaps.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
What about brown dog? What about brown dog?
I don't know that.
Yeah, I know brown dog is somewhat like blouse and skirt. It's an exclamation. It's used as an exclamation, just as with blouse and skirt.
Oh, just another exclamation. Yeah.
So it's like somebody come tell you something sad will happen or something exciting,
That's
like you get
brown dog.
Yeah, you find $2,000 or something. Brown dog. Like it's just used as that. I think me don't know if I just country people use this one, but I used to hear it in my bush.
A lot of them are like country persons from rural areas. Yeah.
That's how we in Jamaica, people who live in the rural areas, we call them country people, right? We are country people.
Yeah, we are country people.
Yeah.
in the urban area.
Yeah, and then there is this next one, good as. Who's a good as?
A good as?
I think the word goody is now the word that comes from the word good as.
Yeah.
Because right now, one of the popular slangs
goody.
Is
say,
goody.
Oh, the girl, they are goody. Or something like that. I remember this song, good as for them, that you are good as for them.
Yeah, but guess what? Good as is a nice looking, clean skin girl, nice body.
Yeah, it is used widely, so sometimes it has some varying deviation from some other meaning. Yeah.
But these are really it, guys. I don't know which of them you've used, or if not all of them.
Yeah, because as Jamaicans we use thousands, if not millions, of these terms, phrases, or whatever you call them. So you can comment some of your favorites, some that
Tell us.
Yeah, some that you use often.
Down below.
Yeah.
Down below.
Straight up.
Because we're looking to hear from you guys.
Alright, so comment below. And thank you for journeying with the Jacksons. So see you on our next journey.
Guys,
Bye.
and thank you, and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.